What's good, wipers? This your boy Lay, back on the scene. About to let y'all know what's going on. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions in my inbox, you know what I mean? I don't have time to answer them. I mean, I'm working, I'm taking care of my family. I got these videos for you though. But the main question that I've been getting in my inbox, I've been noticing, is somebody just inboxed me this question. I'm finna read it off to you. Yo man, can you help me out? I've been wolfing for 7 weeks. I brush like hell. I still see no waves on the side and back, but the waves are on the top. I just need to know, are my waves deep on the sides and back, so when I get cut, when I cut it, it will have waves on the sides and back, or sides and back are not curly enough to get waves. Please, I need help bad. Or do you have any ideas to get waves on the side or on the back? Everybody's having trouble getting waves on the side. Here's what's going on. Everybody is brushing the top too much. You got waves on the top, you don't need to worry about the top. What you need to worry about is the sides. Brush the sides, just like you do the top. You should do, okay. If you want to have a brushing session, do this brushing session. 100 on this side, 100 on this side, 100 on the back. 50 at top. You know, you got to double up because your sides ain't working. Your top is good. 100, 100, 100, 50, 350. That's, or you know what? 100, 100, 100, 60, 360. You know what I mean? That'll get you to 360 waves. Everybody's brushing their top too much. You know, if you having trouble getting waves on the sides, you should be brushing your sides, your back, as much as you be brushing the top. Everybody brushes the top the most, but you need to concentrate on the sides. Concentrate on the sides. Brush more. You should be brushing all day on the sides. Brushing on the go. Like I tell you all the time, you gotta brush. This shit ain't no game. You ain't finna get waves off just products. You gotta get waves off brushing. That's how it's gonna come. You're not getting no waves on the side, you ain't brushing your sides enough. Brush, 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 brush. You think I be lying? I'm telling y'all the truth. I got nothing to lie for. I'm here to help you. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to get that out there. That's the most question I've been getting asked. But yeah, that's what you need to do. Concentrate on your sides. Brush your sides. Like I told you, 100, 100, 160. You'll get 360s. Holler back at your boy Lay. Leave a comment on the comment section about this video. You know what I mean? What do you think? What do you think? Should you brush the sides more, or should you what kind of brush should people use? Help these people out, man, cause you know what I mean? I got a lot of good waivers on my subscribers, and I know they can help out, and also just looking out for everybody. But holler back at your boy Lay. Subscribe to my videos. Hit the subscribe button. Remember, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Tell a friend. But holler back. Waves on spin.